Hey Project Fam. I know it's been a little while. I was out of town earlier this week and it's really hard for me to get my videos out when I was out of town, but I am back and I had a lot of time to think. So what was I thinking about? I was thinking about projects and problems. So two things I was thinking about. One is I talk to you a lot about projects, and someone told me I don't get into the problems as much. So I'll show you some of the problems that I haven't been talking about. And then I'll go over and just give a quick overview of the projects. And then I'm gonna ask you, like, what would you like to see done? Are those glasses on my forehead? Hold on a second. All right, that's better. So when it comes to problems, right? So yeah, this is one of my problems. My marigolds took a turn for the worst. And these are a couple other flowers that had too many fungus gnats and I had to move them. They had to go. So I'm gonna walk around and show you some of my projects. It's raining today, so I'm probably not gonna get to much, but so I guess I'm gonna go through and ask, what would you like to see? Would you like to see more of the big green egg? I smoke every weekend. Every weekend I put something on the egg. Typically it's chicken. Today I actually have a ham I'm gonna put on, and it's basically a set it and forget it. So that's one thing I'm gonna do. All right, so the other is, another project that I have to do is I have to get my outdoor containers ready to be planted. So it's going to take some fertilizer. It's going to take some potting mix, not potting soil. It's going to take some lime to get these containers ready. So that's another project. Yeah, I wasn't kidding. This is my ham, some peppercorns, some allspice corns. Yes, it's been soaking. That's going on today. Ooh, this railing is atrocious. One of my projects is going to be replacing this railing. I don't know. Is this something you'd like to see on the channel? Let's move on down to a new project. Actually, I need to put some stuff on the grass, get rid of these clovers, but I did mow the lawn today. But here we go. Look at my outdoor self-wicking containers. This is another project that's on the docket. I have to get these containers ready for my peppers and things. I have a lot of containers. Right, another project that I spoke about is building more containers and showing you how I build the containers. So I'm basically going to take the internals from those 3 blue containers and create 3 new containers. And now that I think about it, I almost bought some more flowers today, but I didn't. So that's also a project. Is that something you'd like to see on the channel? So this is something I think everyone would love to see. This is me in my office, and I took a wall and turned it into a huge whiteboard. So the plan was to turn this wall into a whiteboard, and that's a project. Is that a project that you'd like to see on the channel? How about recessed lighting? Would you like to see how to install recessed lighting? Yep, this is basically what it looks like. Would you like me to show you how to install recessed lighting? Is this something you'd like to see on the channel? So if you don't know what this is about, I think you should go back and watch my washing machine repair videos. But repairing this ceiling is also a project. Would you like to see more home repair projects like that on the channel? Look at my one of a few indoor garden areas. These are looking good. I had to water this as soon as I returned. It wasn't looking too healthy, but it looks awesome now. And this guy in this little pot, this guy already has some seeds. Did I top this one? Oh my gosh. I don't even think I topped this yet. All right, I'm gonna top it now. No shame. So basically what I'm gonna do is, oh, this one's horrible. Crap. It's hard to see if I topped it or not. All right, so what I'm going to do is to take this plant. Let me see if I can get it. So I'm gonna take this plant. You see how it's already producing peppers? It is a pepper plant. And I'm gonna cut it off. Oh, you can't cut it off. I need scissors. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna take away all this. All this is gone. I took it away. And I'll take away some of these leaves. And I have to separate this plant. See, this plant's already in two. I gotta turn these into two plants. They're not gonna live together. And take away some of these large leaves, right? I'm gonna take this one off also. See, it's also producing some peppers. Let's take this away. I really shouldn't, hold on. Here we go. Yeah, this will work for now. Take this, get rid of that. Nice. Take off some of these leaves. Yeah, just some of them, get rid of them, yep. And basically force this plant to grow and continue growing. All right, good, I'll leave that alone. Yeah, these, same thing over here, huh? But did I top these? I didn't top any of these? I thought I topped some of these. See, it's growing one continuous stem. No, I'm going to cut it there. Take all this off. I don't want it to start bearing anything yet. And this one, this one was topped already. All right, so indoor plant area. This is also an update, I guess. This is what it looks like. Look at all this. Look at all this. Gotta go, gotta go. Yep, everything else is looking good. My Aloe City is looking okay. These guys didn't miss me too much while I was gone. Oh, it looks like I have a new friend over here. This is my hardy fig. Look at the fig. The fig is acting up. Okay, that's good. All right, let's see what else we have over here. Oh boy. I said, oh boy, look at this. Look at that. All right, we need to do something about this entire thing. I know. But so look at the peppers that I pulled out last week. They look good. Oh, look at the tomatoes. These tomatoes. Full disclosure, the first couple of days I pulled them out, they didn't look too good. Gave them some water. Tomatoes love water. They love water. And they perked right up. This one's almost ready for the outdoor. That looks good. These all look pretty good. Shoot. And this is a project that never worked out. This was a problem, see? This is my rosemary. It's not even working well in here. I'm not giving up on it. And my succulents are doing fine. They don't need a lot. They're doing fine. All right, that's a quick update. And finally, probably my favorite project of them all, this car, heavy. I gotta get this car going. I start it every week, you know, make sure it's running. And I saw this. I saw that, which bothered me. And you know what? Let's see what it is. Doesn't even have a smell. Could be oil. I don't know what it is. But yeah, that's something else. So those are the projects. Truth is, all of the projects that I showed you are going to get done. Like everything is going to get done. But if you tell me what you'd like to see, then I'll get including heavy. Then I'll get on that project a lot sooner. If you like the car washing videos, if you like the gardening videos, the mowing videos, kind of tell me what you like. I probably should put out a poll. I think I will. But comment. I'm asking for your comments now. Now I'm asking for your comments. What would you like to see on the channel?